Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a new feature in version 10, the words per minute spot check graph. This allows you to spot check and track your speed anywhere within a transcript. This information may be helpful in any number of ways. Whether you're working on speed building or want to see just how much that expert witness slowed you down, you'll be able to spot check your writing speed anywhere in your document. I'm in Eclipse and I've opened a document. You'll be able to spot check for your word per minute graph anywhere in your document. And the way that it works is that you want to first highlight text in your document. So I'm going to put my cursor at the top of my document, and I'll move down in my document. I'm going to highlight a few pages. And once I have the text that I want to spot check highlighted, I'll go to Tools and then Job Report, and Eclipse will process all of the print commands in the document. However, if you want to skip that step, you can. I'm going to close my job report. I'll go to Tools, Job Report again, and this time I'll just hit Cancel. And that allows me to skip the print command reading step, and instead I can just skip right to my word per minute graph if I desire. And you see that this shows me a graph of how quickly I was writing during the highlighted text. The graph is set up into three parts. On the left is the words per minute that were written. In the middle is the number of words written at that word per minute. And on the right is a graphical representation of the same data that you see in the middle. So this shows you in a nice graphic view how quickly you were writing on average. And so you see that for the selected text that I have, I was writing between 40 and 250 words per minute for the highlighted portion of the text. And you see that there are a few outliers, a few strokes that trickled in, a few strokes that really came in very quickly. And that's normal and to be expected. So now that I've identified this data for this portion of my document, I can repeat the same thing by highlighting a totally separate part of my document. If I highlight the last few pages instead, I can go back to Tools, Job Report, Cancel, and I'll choose the word per minute graph. And you see that at the end of the job, the proceedings slowed down quite a bit. I have a lot more entries in the lower word per minute range. This ability to highlight and spot check only the text that you want is going to let you know all of the data that you need to know for your words per minute performance for every job. If you want to spot check your performance before a break and after a break, you'll be able to do that. If you want to compare your performance between each of the witnesses or depositions that you took in a day, you can do that as well. If you're speed building or adjusting your theory and you're working in a program like Real-Time Coach, this additional information may be invaluable to you. It may help you identify which areas of work are slowing you down and could use improvement. Since the words per minute graph is based on the text that you have highlighted, if you want to get a words per minute representation of your entire document, you can highlight the whole document and repeat the same steps. Go to Tools and Job Report, and I'll hit Cancel again. And you see that now I have a nice, smooth arc graph of all of the strokes in my entire document. And you see that this is not quite as jumpy as either of the graphs produced at the beginning or the end of the document were. And so you can easily see the difference in spot checking different areas within your document. If you have difficult witnesses or are worried about fatigue later in the day, this may be an excellent tool that you can employ to see how those kinds of things are truly affecting your writing. This is another tool in your arsenal of statistics, in addition to things like untranslates and conflict resolution. And this information is available on demand for the text that you desire. You can highlight as much or as little text as you want. I'm going to select some text at random, just a few paragraphs, and I'll go to Tools, Job Report, Cancel, and I'll select the words per minute graph from the display dropdown again. And you see that in this short sample, the graph looks very different than it does when we take larger samples. So whatever portion of your document you need this information for, you can rest assured not only that it'll be there, but that it'll be accurate, and it will directly correspond to exactly how you were writing at the time. I hope that this new spot check on-demand word per minute graphical representation of your speed will be welcome and useful. Whether you're a new student working on speed or a seasoned professional working to incorporate new theory hints, you may have a lot of great ways that you can implement this information to improve and track your writing skill. Thank you for watching this video. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified of our twice weekly uploads every Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you so much and have a great day.